Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable a split screen feature on your Itel A200 device. Simply watch the video carefully and follow each step to activate the option and use two apps at the same time. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for more helpful tech guides. Alright, let's get started.